Hello everyone, quick run through the charts. Let me first clean up a little bit. So we see that Bitcoin is continuing its slightly descending consolidation, still within the upper half of the bullish order block, which is good. At the same time, we still have the positive divergence developing here, both on momentum and the RSI. So we could be looking at either a scenario where this positive divergence starts playing out. We see an impulsive 5-wave move up to the previous channel or the previous consolidation highs to around 31,800, maybe 30,800. Another bullish scenario I can see playing out is a liquidity rate just beneath the order block, swing high, higher low, market structure break, and then continuation to the upside. These both are very classic patterns, and the one I deleted here, the bearish scenario, just to put that back on the chart, would be if the liquidity gets raided but price fails to get back above 25k. In that scenario we could see a drop towards the lower levels of 20 to 23k. So until price makes a decision and the market shows us where it wants to go, there is not much we can do. I have no exposure to Bitcoin at this point. I'm still just waiting for any type of move into any direction. Stock markets, SPX rejected at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Potentially, yeah, I mean there is a swing high right now, so we will have to see if price drops further. I think it is likely that we see a little bit more downside, and then we will see if the stock market can turn around here. The Dow, similar. So we have the swing high here now, and price is heading down, probably towards the 70.2% retracement level, and potentially even lower to the 61.8 retracement level. The Nasdaq is still above the key retracement zone. Currently also a swing high is building here. Now we have to see if it will drop back and then also revisit either the 70.2 or the 61.8 retracement levels, or if the Nasdaq will bounce higher and pull the S&P 500 and the Dow with it. Ethereum, same story as Bitcoin, positive divergence. Yeah, kind of descending accumulation here, until Bitcoin does decide what it wants to do. There is not much to say about Ethereum here, so this scenario is still playing out. At this point, I think there is more potential to the downside than this playing out, but I cannot say for sure, hence I have no exposure to ETH except my spot holdings. Atom dropped beneath the pivot lows, still consolidating, and I think still we will head lower here. BNB also still beneath the $220 level, so unless it pushes back above it, there is no bullishness for BNB in my view, and $182 is probably gonna be the next level that's gonna get revisited. If it flips $220, then as I mentioned in my past video, I may look for a long. Polkadot. So DOT has been consolidating with very tiny candle bottles, so we may be looking at a tower bottom. Chart structure, sorry, this was the wrong one. Also a very common structure, and we have a positive divergence both on the RSI and the Momiji momentum indicator. So I am actually considering a long if we can break back above $4.28. And sorry, just a second. Yeah, then either the stop loss here under this swing low, or directly under the candles a little tighter, either one, and then target a retest of the previous equal lows where the sell side liquidity was resting beneath, and then you get a nice risk to reward of 3. So I'm watching this and have set myself an alert on another chart already for the break of $4.28. Link started to show some signs of life. I don't want to call it strength yet. The 62% retracement level is still to be broken, but at least we can see that the consolidation continues, and it isn't the same descending small candle consolidation as we see on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Solana broke back into the price channel, so now we can start looking for a long position here. Let's drop to the 4-hour. There's a nice fair value gap here. So anywhere within $20.16 and $19.90 is open for longs. The stop loss just under the recent low, and then aim for the consolidation channel highs. Risk to reward above 2, which is good. And once price, if we get a fill, once price moves back above the $20.55 level, then we can already secure the position with a stop loss at break even. So let's see how this will play out. Lastly, UNI. So UNI gave us the first bounce, another retest here of the 79% retracement level, and now we will just have to wait and see if it can reclaim the 70.5% retracement level. I'll set myself an alarm, but really ultimately I want to see the 62% retracement level to be recaptured. Alright, that's it for today's update, and talk to you again on Friday.